Hey, if you want to use the Nearby Share on the Redmi Pad SE, first of all, on the second device you have to also turn on this function. And then let's simply move to our device. So we have to go to the settings. And right now we have to go to the connection and sharing. And right here we have to scroll down and go to the Nearby Share. So as you can see, we have to turn it on by tapping on this switcher. And then we have to also turn on the device visibility, and the same for this second device. Then we are able to choose how to share the data. So we can share the data by the Wi-Fi or without the internet. So it will be shared only offline. So that's how we can make the switch. You can decide. I'm gonna stay with the Wi-Fi only. And also it will be good to enable the show notifications on both devices to be sure that you are going to receive the storage, the files that you are sending. Here also that's the name of your device and of the second device. And to share something, you have to go to the gallery or on the other place on your phone where you have the data. I want to share, for example, this video, and I have to click on it and then tap on the share button and select the Nearby Share. It appears right here. Then it is looking for the Nearby devices. So as you can see in my phone, this function is also enabled. And here we've got my phone. So I have to click on it once and then accept on this second device. And right now I can simply open it. And that's how we can quickly share data between two devices. Then tap done. And that's it. Bye bye.